I got starburst stuck in my teeth. I hate that. Alright, this is Geometry 1.4, monitoring progress number 4. We're asked to find the perimeter of this shape, which is going to be a triangle. It doesn't say it's a triangle, but it only has 3 vertices, so it's going to be a triangle. Oh, let's see. There they are, GH and J. So let's graph these, see what they look like. Here's our coordinate axes, X and Y. Alright, we'll mark off some points here. There's G, negative 3, positive 2. There's H. Notice that G and H have the same Y coordinate, which means that they're directly across from each other. And we can find the distance between them. We don't need the distance formula. We just have to find the absolute value of the difference between their difference. That's subtraction, kids. The difference between their x coordinates. So it's negative 3 minus 2. Absolute value of negative 5 is 5. They're 5 spaces apart. You can tell just by counting spaces. Now, for the other two, for GJ and for JH, we're going to have to use the distance formula, which is, by the way, just a fancy Pythagorean theorem. So we find the difference, that's subtraction, between the x coordinates, and then we square that. And we find the difference between the y coordinates, and we square that. And then we add them together and take the square root, which is essentially what we're doing here. So we get square root of 29 for GJ, and we get, let's see, for HJ, see, 2 minus negative 1 is going to be, let's see, 3 squared, and 2 minus negative 3 is 5 squared. 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. Remember, anytime you square a number, you always get a positive answer, regardless of whether it's a negative number or a positive number. Perimeter is just the lengths of the 3 sides all added up. So let's see, GH plus GJ plus HJ. So we've got, let's see, square root of 34 plus square root of 29 plus, what was that again? 5, which is 5. So we add those all up. Of course, to really add them together to make sense, we're going to have to turn square root of 34 and square root of 29 into decimals. These are going to be approximate answers because as actual decimals, they would just be numbers that go on forever. They're irrational numbers. So our approximate answer is 16.2.